and welcome to the Mr. J Test, my series where we examine some of my favorite shows from A to Z and see whether they pass a series of tests. So first we look at, and today is E for Eve. Yay! Okay, Eve starring the actor/rapper Eve. I didn't really watch the show when it was on UPN, maybe caught one episode, but I watched the entire series repeatedly on TV1 over the past few years, and it is great. I love the show. It's funny, and it's something that I wish there were more of on my TV now. So what is the Mr. J Test? We examine shows, and I mentioned the 3 different tests. So what's the first test? The Bechdel test. We see whether a series has 2 female characters who talk to each other about something other than a man. Then we move to the second part where we figure out whether it passes the Mr. J test. The Mr. J test examines if a show has 2 non-white characters who talk to each other about something other than a white person. Then we have the third part of the test, the unicorn bonus round. Ding, 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 ding. And we see whether the show has 2 non-white female characters who talk to each other about something other than a man or a white person. So back to Eve. Does Eve pass all 3 of these tests? Let's see. I didn't watch these in any particular order. They were just the order that the shows came on the day that I did all this research. So we're going to start with the final episode of the series, Season 3, Episode 22. It is called Daughter Don't Preach. In this episode, Shelly's mother is pregnant. Shelly's not okay with it because she got pregnant by, Shelly's mother got pregnant by Shelly's father, who is estranged from the family. How does this episode pass the Bechdel test? 2 other characters on the show, Rita and Janie, talk to each other about the Botox parties that have been happening in their store, Diva Style. So great. It does pass the Bechdel test. On to the Mr. J test. Well, let's see. In this very same episode, we also have JT and Nick, who are both black men, who talk to each other about the fact that the woman who Nick is dating is married, and her husband is coming home before they expected it. In this special episode, the husband is played by Eddie Winslow from Family Matters, and his wife is being played by Laura Winslow from Family Matters. And in the end, JT and Nick get trapped in the closet. What will happen? I don't know. We don't know because the series ended. Does the episode pass the unicorn bonus round? We then move to the first season, Episode 2, called Condomania, where Shelly and Janie are wandering around Costco, and before they bump into JT and Nick, who are shopping for a Costco-sized box of condoms, Shelly and Janie talk about the fact that Janie was supposed to meet Shelly at the gym, but Janie decided not to do that. Oh well. So Eve does pass the Bechdel test, the Mr. J test, and the unicorn bonus round. Thumbs up! Woohoo! And one thing I loved about this show, well, many things I loved about this show, is that it had a cast of characters who worked in Miami, and it actually looked like they were friends who really did live in Miami, even though all of the episodes were shot on a set. There were 4 black characters, 2 white characters. They all got along, and it was funny. I would love to see more shows like that were just like, hey, we're all hanging out. It's a good time. Hanging out in Miami. Woo woo. Enjoying the dancing, the diva style. More of that would be great. So, yes, that comes to the end of the episode. I forgot. Oh my gosh. Okay. Another thing I loved about the show was that it had Jason George and Sean Maguire in it. Those are their real names, not like Laura and Eddie Winslow. Sean Maguire and Jason George were also in another of my favorite shows called Off Center, which was on the WB. And Jason George was in Barbershop with Eve. And Sean Maguire was on something else. What did he Jason. Oh, don't worry about that. But I love that Jason, George, and Eve were on Barbershop together, and then Jason, George, and Sean McGuire were on Offsetter, and they were on that show with John Cho, who's so great. Yay! All right. So that's my excitement for this series, Eve. You should watch. It still comes on TV One. So that's it for this episode. Thanks for watching. And our next letter, if you're keeping track, is going to be F. So see you later. Bye-bye.